Hi there. Today I will be guiding you through how to extend image borders in Runway ML. With the help of my method, you will extend the borders in your images. The first thing is open the browser, which you prefer to use in your computer. And in the Google search bar, search for a Runway ML. Once you'll search, you will see the main website of Runway. Click on it and get access of it. Here, you will see the interface of a Runway. Click on the option to get started, which is on the right top, and it is the main interface of Runway. Now, how can we extend the images for this? Take a look. On the left side, here you will see different options from these. Select the option plus. Once you will select this option, you will be moved to that page where you can extend the image. Now select the icon images, and then here you will find the option of upload. Click on it. Now you can see my picture has been uploaded. Now how can I extend it? In Runway, you just have to write a simple prompt. So write expand the borders. After writing, here you will find some option. If you want to change anything, then do it. But for now, I will not. So I will hit generate. And here you can see now it's generating. And here you can see the borders have been extended. This one is the original picture and is the picture with the extended borders. So it was the way by which you can do it.